You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change your Google account profile picture. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you want to update. On the main account dashboard, click on the Personal Info tab on the left navigation panel on the Personal Info page. Look for the Profile section and click on the option that says Your Profile Picture. This will open a new window where you can manage your picture. To upload a new photo, click the camera icon or the Change Picture button. You can then choose to upload a photo from your computer, take a new photo with your webcam, or select an existing photo from your Google Photos library. Once you select an image, you can crop and adjust it within a circular frame. Click Set as Profile Picture when you are satisfied. The new picture will now represent your account across all Google services like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Meet. It may take a few minutes to update everywhere, too. Remove your profile picture and revert to the default avatar. Go back to the same menu and click Remove instead. This change is linked to your Google account, not just a single service. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.